What's going on, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth. If this is your first time tapping into my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys stopping by. It's obvious that you're here because of the thumbnail. Today we will be talking about the upcoming Air Jordan 1 in the University Blue colorway. This is not a how to cop. This is more along the lines of my thoughts and opinion on how this release is going to go. The stock numbers, not the exact stock numbers, but what I'm hearing. And also, I will be putting the links down below to give you guys the best opportunity to cop this shoe. So I want to try to pack a lot of information into this video, and y'all stay tuned. But before we get up into it, make sure you guys go ahead and scroll through some of the videos if you're new to the channel. If you like what you see, do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button. We are on our race to 10K by the end of 2021. I know we can get there. I'm gonna keep pumping out the content. I just need you guys to keep doing what you're doing. Make sure you guys hit that like button for each one of the videos. It helps the channel grow. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop any video, go live, or whatever it is that I choose to do on this platform. To all my reoccurring subscribers, thank you guys so much for rocking with me as I use these shoes to bring glory and honor to Christ. What I mean by that is, if you click on this link right here, it's going to be two playlists, The Word and J's and Truth Tuesday, every Sunday and Tuesday. I connect my love, my passion for sneakers with my passion and love for Christ to let you guys know that God loves each and every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's get up into this content.
You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then stop, cause you probably will regret it. We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
So like I said, we will be talking about the upcoming Air Jordan 1 University Blue. As you guys can see on the mixer back here, I already have one I'm out. So we're going to go ahead and take this lid off of this one. And then we have the second one here. We're going to put this box right here. And we're going to let it sit right there. And as you guys can see right here, we do see the Air Jordan 1 in the University Blue colorway. This shoe will be an absolute problem. Absolute problem. I've already done a detailed early look for this shoe. If you guys click right here, this is going to be the video, but I am going to show you guys a up close look of the sneaker on this video as well. So as you guys can see here, we have a predominantly University Blue and white upper. We got the black Nike swoosh. The leather on these things, as you guys can see right here, is extremely tumble. It's very good. The material is really nice. Try to get up close and personal for you guys. As you go around the inner side of this sneaker, you do have that same tumbled leather and nice Nike swoosh. You do have your black laces in this one, and then if I'm not mistaken, on the one on the turntable right here, you do have your University Blue laces as well. So it does come with the two laces. On the tongue, you do have that Nike Air right there. We do have the nylon tongue, the Black Wings logo. On the bottom, we do have the University Blue on the bottom. And like I said, the toe box right here is really, really nice. The material is nice. So yeah, man, just overall a very, very dope shoe. Extremely hype shoe. Everybody will be going after it. So let's talk about stock numbers and your chance to get this shoe. So this shoe would be an absolute problem. For what I'm hearing, that a lot of stores are not getting their shipments. I don't know if that's because of delayed shipment. I'm not sure what the reason. All I know is that the stock numbers are not looking too high as far as places getting theirs. Some Finish Line Foot Lockers and stuff like that still have yet to get their shipment in. So depending on what app you're going to do reservations and stuff like that, you will not see some grade school sizes on some of those apps. Some of the local stores that's like your Jimmy Jazzes and DTLRs that normally do the in-store raffles and all that stuff, they are telling customers that they have yet to receive their shipment. They have an itinerary but no ETA, which means that they are hoping to get the sneakers, but you just never know lately in the sneaker game what's going on. So I've linked down in my description section any raffles and stuff like that, your flex apps and all that. You want to try that. But I'm telling you guys, the taupe hazes were hard to get for whatever reason. Not sure why that shoe was so hard to get. But it seems like it was shipment issue with that. This shoe right here is going to be very hard to get. If you hit on exclusive access, you hit on the gold mine. If you hit on exclusive access and you got your size and you wanted it for the toe and you sold it because you thought you had an opportunity to get this shoe, good luck, man. I'm pretty sure you made some good money off of it. I know some people that said that they sold their exclusive access pair, which is their personal size, and they got $500-600 for it. Hey, salute to you. Get your money. I don't blame you. And now they have this second opportunity to get it, but good luck, man, because I don't think it's going to be easy to get. I don't think it's going to be many pairs out there. Comment down in the comment section if you guys have heard anything different in your local area or about any of the releases on the website. So now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the current pre-sale price for these shoes. So right now, if you go on StockX, they have dropped a little bit from what we seen the other day when I did a live. They were at like $475, $500, $600 depending on the size. Right now, as you guys can see right here, they are kind of sitting around that $400 mark, down 22% for all sizes. So the last sale on these things, if we view all sales, the last sale for this shoe was a size 8 and it was $400. Size 8 for $422, a size 11 for $450, a size 6 for $537, bro. So it's still, so this shoe is still sitting at a good price right now if you have them early. You think about offloading yours from exclusive access or something like that, or however you got your hands on the shoe early. If you're thinking about selling right now, is a great time to sell. I do think the price is gonna drop the day before release to right around $375, so that'll be the great time to pull the trigger if you really don't think you're gonna hit on any of the foot sites or on the sneaker app. But I do think after the initial release, this shoe will go back up to $400, $425. I'm gonna say it's gonna be around the Mocha price range for a while. It might dip down a little bit, but hey, I'm just telling you guys, $375 minimum is what you're gonna pay for this shoe unless you get it locally and you know someone. But yeah, comment down below and let me know, what do you guys think about this shoe? Is this a must-have to have in your collection? Should you hold off and wait for the Universal Blue 4s? Should you hold off and wait for the Air Jordan 1 type of Royals? Or if you miss on this shoe, are you just like, I missed on another shoe, man? You know what I'm saying? Let me know below. Make sure you check out my early review of these things, and good luck to each and every one of you guys. Hit that like button on this video for good luck. Hit the subscribe button. Like I said, we are on our race to 10K. I appreciate you guys stopping by watching. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this shoe right here, they're just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gone.
Like Curry, got favor, no worry. Just jay up and bury, just jay up and bury. Come up and be faithful, but my brother still hit me for my Chuck Taylor.